The iPad Pro 2025 is shaping up to be Apple's most ambitious tablet ever. Over the years, Apple has carefully positioned the iPad Pro as more than just a tablet. It's their laptop alternative, creative tool, and productivity powerhouse. With the introduction of the M5 chip, the rumored tandem OLED displays, and significant updates through iPadOS 26, the 2025 iPad Pro could redefine what we expect from portable computing. In this deep dive, we'll explore everything: performance benchmarks, rumored specs, design changes, AI-powered features, accessories, pricing, and the official release window of late 2025. Stick around until the end because we'll also break down Apple's strategy for this iPad Pro in the larger market of premium tablets and hybrid devices. The M5 chip, next-level performance at the heart of the 2025 iPad Pro is the long-awaited M5 processor. This chip represents Apple's fifth generation of custom silicon, building upon the efficiency and raw horsepower of the M4 performance gains. Early whispers suggest 25 to 30% faster processing speeds compared to the M4. GPU performance may see an even greater leap, with 12 to 16 GPU cores depending on configuration. Unified memory expansion. Apple may standardize 16GB RAM across all models, eliminating the base 8GB tier. Higher storage variants could stretch this up to 24GB or even 28GB RAM. Neural engine power. The M5 will focus heavily on AI and machine learning acceleration, allowing smoother real-time photo editing, AR rendering, and multitasking. Battery efficiency. Despite higher power, the M5 is expected to be built on an advanced 3nm Plus node, boosting efficiency and potentially extending battery life. This makes the iPad Pro 2025 more than just a casual device. It's a tool that could rival dedicated workstations for video editing, 3D modeling, and AI-driven workflows. Display upgrades. Tandem OLED technology. One of the most exciting changes is Apple's adoption of tandem OLED panels for the new iPad Pro lineup. Sizes. The iPad Pro 2025 will come in slightly larger 11.5-inch and 13.5-inch models, thanks to slimmer bezels. Tandem OLED advantage. This technology layers two OLED panels together, boosting brightness, color accuracy, and durability while reducing burn-in risk. HDR and ProMotion. Expect a 120Hz refresh rates, a DR10, and possibly even Dolby Vision support with richer contrast ratios. Eye comfort. Apple is rumored to add advanced anti-glare coating and adaptive brightness tech for better outdoor usability. For professionals, whether photographers, illustrators, or video editors, this display could rival Apple's Studio display, but in a portable form. Camera system, dual selfie lenses, and AR sensors. Apple isn't holding back on camera hardware this time. The 2025 iPad Pro is expected to integrate features typically reserved for flagship iPhones. Dual front-facing cameras, optimized for Face ID in both portrait and landscape orientation. Great for video calls, content creators, and hybrid laptop setups. Rear cameras with LiDAR. Advanced LiDAR and TOF sensors will boost augmented reality experiences, enabling precise 3D mapping, object tracking, and improved AR navigation. Content creators' dream. Combined with the M5's AI, these cameras will enhance background blur, depth sensing, and cinematic video capture. This positions the iPad Pro not just as a consumption device, but as a tool for filmmakers, architects, designers, and AR developers. iPadOS 26. A productivity revolution. No matter how powerful the hardware, the iPad Pro is only as good as the software driving it. With iPadOS 26, Apple is preparing a major leap in multitasking. Stage Manager 2.0, improved window snapping and resizing, closer to macOS-style multitasking, AI-powered suggestions. iPadOS 26 may integrate on-device AI, allowing predictive task management, real-time document summarization, and smart app recommendations. External display support. Full extended desktop support with 4K monitors, making the iPad Pro a near laptop replacement. Pro apps optimization. Apple is expected to bring Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro updates tailored to the M5 chip, along with AI-driven video stabilization and sound balancing. For professionals, this could finally bridge the gap between iPad and MacBook workflows, AI and smart features. Apple is deeply integrating AI and tracking technologies into the 2025 iPad Pro motion tracking. Using the accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer for precise gesture control and AR navigation. Smart AI tools. On-device AI will power instant translations, voice-to-text editing, and intelligent photo corrections. Accessibility boosts. Features like eye-tracking navigation and gesture-based shortcuts will make the iPad Pro more inclusive than ever. This aligns with Apple's larger vision of AI-driven computing, with the iPad Pro acting as a bridge between traditional devices and next-gen wearables. Design and build. Slimmer, stronger, sleeker, the 2025 iPad Pro won't just be powerful. It's rumored to introduce a refined design. Thinner bezels, more screen, less frame. Lightweight build. Apple is experimenting with new aluminum alloys and recycled materials. Durability, improved glass protection, and better drop resistance. Colors. While silver and space, gray are staples, we might see new Pro-exclusive shades, perhaps midnight titanium or graphite blue. This refresh will make the iPad Pro 2025 feel like a truly next-generation product. Accessories. What's in the box? And by what's extra, Apple loves its ecosystem. And the iPad Pro 2025 will arrive with both included essentials and optional extras. In the box, iPad Pro, braided USB-C cable, and a 30W fast charger, Apple Pencil 3. Rumored to feature haptic feedback, magnetic attachments, and interchangeable tips for drawing, painting. Magic Keyboard 2. Slimmer hinge design, larger trackpad, and backlit function keys, gaming controllers, and AR accessories. Apple may push optional hardware for gaming, AR, and creative workflows. These extras make the iPad Pro 2025 a true workstation replacement. Storage options. Bigger than ever, Apple is expected to expand storage configurations significantly. Base storage, 256 GB, high-end tiers, up to 2 TB or even 4 TB models for creative professionals handling massive video projects. RAM configurations, standardized 16 GB across all tiers, with higher models supporting up to 28 GB unified memory. This makes the 2025 iPad Pro suitable for heavy multitasking, 8K video editing, and advanced 3D rendering. Price and release date now. The big question: when can you buy it and how much will it cost? Release window: October-November 2025. Following Apple's annual iPhone and Apple Watch launches. Pricing: a 11.5-inch model, starting around $99, with 3.5-inch model, starting around $299 higher. Storage variants could push prices well beyond $2,000. Apple will likely keep pricing competitive to position the iPad Pro 2025 as a MacBook alternative, rather than a companion device. Market strategy and competitor impact. The iPad Pro 2025 isn't launching in a vacuum. Apple faces competition from Samsung Galaxy Tab, S10 Ultra, Microsoft Surface Pro 11, Lenovo Yoga Tab series with foldable OLED designs, Apple's Edge, the M5 chip efficiency, tandem OLED panels, and tight hardware-software integration. While rivals may offer larger displays or different form factors, the iPad Pro will continue to dominate in performance per watt, efficiency, and ecosystem integration. Final thoughts. Thief War. iPad Pro 2025 represents more than an incremental update. It's a major step forward in Apple's vision for the future of computing. With the M5 chip, OLED panels, AR-enhanced cameras, AI-powered multitasking, and pro-level accessories, this tablet could genuinely replace your laptop for the first time. If you're already using an M1 or M2 iPad Pro, this might finally be the upgrade worth waiting for. For creative professionals, students, and productivity-driven users, the iPad Pro 2025 may well become the ultimate device. So, are you excited about the iPad Pro 2025? Do you think the M5 chip will live up to its hype? And would you pay over $1,000 for this next-generation tablet? Let me know in the comments.